Hello friends, this is Vinay and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix check apps and files option is grayed out in Windows Defender app in Windows 11. If you head over to reputation based protection setting page, you will find out that check apps and file option is not only grayed out but it also gives a warning that this setting is managed by your administrator. Fortunately, it is possible to fix this issue and here is what you need to do. So first of all, you need to launch a registry editor, and for that click on the search icon available on the taskbar, and then you need to type registry editor. When the same app appear in the search results, click to open it. Now when UAC dialog box appear, click yes to continue. Now in the registry editor you need to expand options for HKey local machine and then software, policies, Microsoft, Windows, and select the system key. Now you will find out this 32-bit dword value named enable smart screen. You need to delete it. Right click, delete, click yes. Now close the registry editor and restart your PC. Now log in. After successful restart, if you head over to same setting page, you can see that option is not grayed out and warning is gone. So to turn it on, click here, and when UAC dialog box appear, click yes to continue, and that's it. You have successfully turned on the option check apps and files. So that's it guys. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.